Hello and welcome to Tech Fix Maintenance Manual. In today's guide, we will cover the process of replacing a smoke detector battery. You will need a step ladder, a 9-volt battery, and in some cases it may be a AA. First, locate the chirping smoke detector.
For the sake of this video, this smoke detector is going to be our chirping one, even though it's not chirping.
Open the battery housing compartment and take note of the plus and minus side before removing.
Your plus and minus sign is going to be in this little tab. It'll tell you how to do it.
Be sure to insert the new battery in the correct orientation. Next, snap the cover back into place and press and hold the test button to ensure that it is working.
Button's right here.
Congratulations, you have successfully replaced your smoke detector battery. Hopefully you have found this guide to be helpful, and this is just one way we managed to be the best.